New York is doomed. This isn't a metaphor or a scare story. It's math. Sea levels are rising. Infrastructure is aging. Storms are getting stronger. And no engineering plan in the world can keep up with the water anymore. The city looks invincible. Skyscrapers, Wall Street, the subway, the bridges, millions of people, billions of dollars, and the feeling that New York will survive anything. But this is exactly where artificial intelligence found the weak spot most people prefer not to think about. And what AI found isn't a bomb, not a war, not a virus. It's water. New York isn't just a city. It's a system of islands, tunnels, underground stations, old utilities, and neighborhoods sitting dangerously close to the water. Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, Staten Island, Long Island, all surrounded by ocean, rivers, and bays. And if the water comes fast enough, the city simply can't stop it. In 2012, Hurricane Sandy showed how vulnerable New York really is. Water flooded subway tunnels, drowned streets, knocked out power, paralyzed transport, and left thousands in the dark. It wasn't the end of the world, it was a warning. Now AI models a different scenario. Higher sea levels, a stronger storm, more rain, aging infrastructure, and one moment when everything lines up. The algorithms analyze elevation maps, population density, the location of subways, tunnels, hospitals, power plants, and transport hubs. The picture is terrifying. The main threat isn't one giant wave from a disaster movie. The main threat is a chain reaction. First, water enters the low-lying areas. Then it floods roads and tunnels. Trains stop. People can't leave. Ambulances can't get through. Power substations fail. Basements become traps. Communications drop. Businesses shut down. Millions suddenly realize that America's richest city depends on a fragile system buried underground. And the scariest part, AI shows that it may not start with a catastrophe visible from space. It may start with an ordinary weather forecast. A storm is coming. Authorities issue warnings. People think, we've seen this before. And then the water rises higher than expected. New York won't disappear overnight, but it can be paralyzed in a few hours. Some neighborhoods will recover. Others will become too expensive to defend. Insurance companies will raise prices. People will start leaving. Investors will start counting risks. And the question will no longer be whether New York floods. The question AI is already answering is, which parts of the city America will be forced to lose first? We're used to thinking of New York as a symbol of strength, but AI shows the other side. A city standing on the edge of the water can't keep pretending the water isn't rising. And if the next big storm comes at the worst possible moment, New York won't be a victim of the future. It will be a warning for all of America. The scariest thing isn't that the water might come. The scariest thing is that AI already knows exactly where it will go.